Hey new fifth graders, I'm Mrs. Moore and I will be your LitCon teacher for this year. So if you had Mrs. Wilson, Ms. Regal, or Mr. Smith last year, that is my job over here. I work along with Mrs. Barnes and Mr. Moses, who also teach LitCon. And on our Team C team are myself, Miss Adams, who is right next to her, and Mrs. Fozzie, who's across the hallway. Okay. This is just a quick little get to know you. Hello, nice to meet you. I am. I have been a fifth grade teacher. This will be my third school year as a fifth grade teacher, although I have been a teacher here at Danville for the last 16 years. So I started in third grade. I taught third grade for 8 years, fourth grade for 5, and now I am here in fifth grade. And I've been teaching LitCon since I started teaching fourth grade. I really do love science. I love social studies. We'll be learning all about the Revolutionary War. We'll be learning all about airplanes and balloons in STEM. And hopefully we get back to FOSS and we get to work on soils and rocks. So those are some of the things to look forward to. Um, if you have any questions about me or anything you want to learn about me, those we'll get to know each other a little bit more in the first few days of school. I do have an about me in the presentation that you're looking at right now, and there's a little bit more about me that you can find in the web page on my Google site. Okay, so just extra information about me, some information about my two kiddos at home, and just extra information, I guess. I'm really excited to meet all you guys. I can't wait to be back here at school. You can kind of see my classroom behind me. There's a little bit we need to get working on yet and get rolling on. Obviously, I'm missing some things, but they'll be here, I promise. And we'll be all ready to go for you on Thursday. I cannot wait to meet you, and I'm super excited. Just so that you're aware, when you do meet me, I will look a little bit more like this, okay? So that you know this is what I'll look like, so you can see me. When you see me, this is what I'll look like. And I promise you I'm smiling under this mask. You just seriously can't tell. So if you have any questions, have your parents send me an email, or you can send me an email from your Google address. And again, can't wait to see you guys Thursday. Super excited.